CodeMic brings a screencast right into your editor. To record a new session, we start by entering the title, description, and a handle, which is a short, unique name. Once we press scan, CodeMic looks through the workspace directory we picked here and any editor tabs that are currently open. Just keep in mind, CodeMic only tracks what happens inside this workspace directory, nothing outside of it. Let's hit the record button. As we type, the current line shows up in the timeline as well as the file name. The timeline gives us a nice overview of what's being recorded as we open files, move around, and make edits. Alright, let's pause the recorder and take a closer look. We can replay the session from any point and zoom in or out by holding Ctrl and scrolling the mouse wheel. We have lots of options for editing this recording. We can highlight the entire period when a file was in focus, or even a single line, and speed it up, slow it down, or merge it completely so the edits happen instantly. We can also add audio, video, and images to guide viewers through the code and make our session more engaging. We can add many media tracks in layers, and they'll be all mixed in the final output. Once we are ready, we can publish it and share it with others, or keep everything local. In fact, every recording is stored locally inside the .codemic directory in the workspace. The body.json is a recording of everything that happens during the session. When files were opened, selections changed, text edited, files saved or deleted. Notice that none of this is specific to Visual Studio Code. In other words, the sessions we record today on VSCode can be viewed tomorrow on Emacs or Vim.